Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sanford Kahn here, business author and speaker. Welcome to this YouTube video called How to Disrupt the Existing Economic Order. If you get something out of this video, and I sure hope you do, could you hit the like symbol? That's the thumbs up symbol. Thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. So how do you disrupt the existing economic order? Well, you might think from the title that it's people with guns and all that storming the barricades of the super rich and all that stuff. No. How do you disrupt the existing economic order? Look, it's very simple. And it's also outside the box, way outside the box. But I believe it, and it could be done. It could be done. But it takes a different mindset. Businessmen, small, medium, and large, from the small to medium and to the public corporations and all that, share one belief that if they could have any wish granted, that's a good way to use it, any wish granted, they would like to get rid of their competition. They would want, in other words, no competition. No competition. Well, it's not going to happen, but this is something they would wish for. So therefore, if you want to disrupt the existing economic order, you have to bring forth the economic lions. The economic lions, as I call them, or they're known as the entrepreneurs, the small business people, the men and women who have a dream, an ambition, and want to start a business and see it grow and prosper. Well, it's hard to do that because now with interest rates high, they have to borrow money, and that's not that easy. So why not get rid of the corporate income tax? What do you think will happen? Corporations don't pay taxes. People pay taxes. It's an expense for a corporation. It's passed on through higher prices of goods and services, reduced dividends, increase in dividends, reduced dividends for the shareholders, retain capital for the shareholders, if you wish, shareholders, and for wages and benefits not to increase substantially. Unless you have a powerful union and like the UAW, and then you probably could pull it off. Anyways, where was I? So why not get rid of the corporate income tax? You know what will happen? You'll have a tsunami of incorporations. With entrepreneurship, instead of borrowing money, they'll issue stock. And especially if you reduce the capital gains tax from the current rate, 25%, down to 10%. 10%. With no difference between long-term and short-term capital gains. It's all just capital gains. Whether you hold it for a day, 2 days, 3 days, a month, or a year. Doesn't matter. You sell it, you have a profit, 10%. That's it. There's no 1 year waiting period for long-term capital gains. There is no long-term capital gains. Corporate people, small business people, the economic lions will flourish. Like I said, what did I say? You'll have a tsunami of new incorporations, and they'll raise money through the equity market, not the debt market. You'll transform the whole economy. It'll be transformed. Completely transformed. You'll now have immense competition. There'll be new businesses, new ideas, new products and services to challenge the existing order. That's what you want to do. You want to have progress in any society. Any society, you have to challenge the existing order. And the economic lions, the new entrepreneurs, could do that with new products and services, and they could get financing by selling equity, stock in their company. With the low capital gains tax, investors will snap it up. Most of them will probably fail the first time, but maybe not the second time. Businesses fail, but some will make it, and probably quite a few will make it. And that'll shake up the existing economic order, the business order. And that's what you want. I think Schumpeter called it correctly the creative destruction of capital. And that's done by the economic lions, the entrepreneurs. And this is what you have to do. You have to encourage entrepreneurship. Bring forth the economic lions. Get rid of the corporate income tax. You'll actually, if you get rid of the corporate income tax, corporations will pay out more money in dividends. Well, the dividends will be taxed at the person's marginal income tax rate. You'll have new businesses selling stock to investors. They'll get money. They pay wages and salaries. Guess what? The wages and salaries, people get it. They pay income tax on it. You're not going to lose any money. The economy will thrive. It'll flourish. It'll flourish with the new businesses and the new competitors to an existing order. It'll flourish. I think you get the idea of what I'm talking about. It could be done through the tax system. You could shake up the existing economic order through the tax system by getting rid of the corporate income tax, 0, and reducing the capital gains tax down to 10%. No difference between long-term and short-term. It doesn't exist. It's just capital gains. Anyways, you can see I'm somewhat passionate about this. Appreciate it if you could hit the like symbol and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again. Bring forth the economic lions, folks.